For the hip hinge exercise, stand up straight with your feet around shoulder width apart and with a bar or weight in your hands holding it with an overhand grip. Your arms should be fully extended down. From here, keep your back straight and lean forward like you are falling over the bar. Your knees will bend a little bit, but the majority of the movement should come from your hips falling forward. When you get the bar to a level just below the knees, bring yourself back up in the opposite direction, driving from your hips and squeezing through your glutes all the way to the top.